on, ladies. We done?
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is Sunday, so you guys know that on Sunday is family day. And today, the reason I am like doing this on low, speaking softly, it's because Tim is sleeping. So I don't really know why I'm speaking softly, because he's basically on the second floor. And I am getting ready because why am I getting ready? I am getting ready because Lily has dance and I have to get myself ready and then wake her up and get her ready for dance. So yeah. I just bought this one and well, I just gotta work with it. But anyways, I am doing this intro a bit early without Tim because I'm going to be doing a prank on him. Yes, it's been a while. The last prank I tried to do on him will be in the iCard right above. One of these corners. So if you want to go check that out, it was basically a failed attempt. So I'm going to try to do another prank on Timothy because who else can I prank? I feel really bad pranking Lily. Because she's so little and so innocent, and it always ends up with her crying, and I just feel bad towards the end. So I am going to prank Tim today, so stay tuned. I'm not going to really say what I'm going to be doing. I want you guys to keep watching, and I want to confess to something. This is my second time doing this intro because I forgot to hit record. If you guys done that before, give this video a thumbs up. So I'm basically repeating everything I said earlier because I didn't record before. So the reason I'm getting ready now, usually I get ready after Lily's dance. I usually don't care how I look when I go to her dance because I'm just waiting in the hallway for her. The reason I'm getting ready now is because Tim and I are going to the movies to watch the new Marvel movie that came out. And I have to get ready now because I'm not going to have time to get ready and do this prank. So just stay tuned because I'm going to be back filming to do this prank on Timothy. So keep watching, guys. I just wanted to show you something. Look, it's freaking snowing, people. And it's like the end of April. And it's still snowing. Ridiculous. Hey guys, so we're back from Lily's ballet dance and Tim finally got inside to take a shower. So we're getting ready to go to the movie theater. Before we go to the movie theaters, Tim likes to do his hair. Well, before we go anywhere out the house, he likes to do his hair, and of course he uses my blow dryer. So I'm gonna take out the blow dryer and I'm gonna place some flour in it. So when he uses it, it's gonna be all over his face and in his hair. Right, Lo? Lo just heard about it, so I hope she doesn't freak out. Yes. So guys, I put some flour in a Ziploc bag so that when I put it in the blow dryer, it doesn't get too messy and he doesn't notice any of the residue around the blow dryer. So I'm gonna snip the little part off here and then pour it in. Hopefully it doesn't damage my blow dryer completely, because I'm gonna need that. Alright, so I gotta get the blow dryer. Hopefully he doesn't see me with the camera. Hopefully he doesn't look outside the shower and be nosy. I'm gonna pretend like I'm gonna do my hair. Alright, let's go inside. No, it's me. I'm gonna do my hair, okay?
Oh, alright. It'll take forever.
I'm not.
Oh, leave the blur. Leave the hair blower when you're done. And you gotta use it too. Don't flush the toilet.
I figured.
You ever come join me in here?
No.
You like that. You like that.
Hello.
Oh, don't take my towel. I need it.
I'm not. I only needed the blow dryer for a little bit. It was just to do my bangs.
Hang it out, baby.
I have like a party in here. Everybody wants to come in. So now we just gotta wait for him to come out the shower, and well, I'll open the door once I hear him out. I don't really know if he's gonna open the door for me, but I want to capture it, so I'm gonna open the shower as soon as I hear that he's dressed. And I don't know, I haven't really thought about this part, but I'm for sure gonna capture this moment. So maybe I of course have to make sure he's dressed, that's for sure. So we'll just stay tuned, guys, until he's all done, okay? I'll get right back to you guys.
Hey, what's for lunch?
Pizza, I'm not sure yet.
Sounds good. Alright, let me do my hair.
Hurry up, we gotta go.
What the freak? Are you serious?
What happened?
Either this is old or you put something on this.
Let me see. Yo, this lighting sucks.
I look like an old geezer. This is crazy.
Oh my god.
You don't mess with the do. Okay?
Now you gotta take another shower.
Is this baby powder or is this? What is this?
That's flour. Now you gotta take another shower.
I want to take another shower.
You gotta hurry up because you really gotta go.
Look at my hair.
It's come out.
Yo, this is crazy. Look at me. I look like a jabroni. This is crazy.
Now this is better lighting.
Lily.
Go.
Lily, look what mommy did to me. Did you know about this? I got, what is this?
Flour.
I got flour in my head. I look like grandpa, don't I?
Your face is flowery.
My face is
Not
flour.
flowery.
Ha 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 ha. Flour on your face. Flour on your face.
Oh, we don't want it. Look at she's mad.
I gotta take another shower now.
She hates when I do pranks on him.
Where's this flower back?
It's over there, Lil. Alright, guys. I got Tim. He hates it every time. And now we're running late for... Ah! He got some on you guys. I'm sorry if the screen is dirty, but I don't have time to clean it. So, let's comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Ah! Look, we got the flower back! No!
Yes, vengeance! Oh yeah!
No, 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 no!
Now who is going to clean that up?
Put it on, Poppy.
No, mommy.
Alright, guys, don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. And that's it for today.